Uni unong yalam ula dawaru bak sorkar jela kade bente lakam ye ke jingkiew dor jong kimar kimata ka belabu jingeh shiboni ki paidbah.
Is it incumbent upon the government, the authorities under the government, to take cognizance of this and protect the interests of the consumers, protect the interests of the people? There is a Consumer Protection Act. Plus, there is a complete, unwritten moral and social responsibility of every government of the day to protect the interests of the larger, or rather to protect the larger interests of the people. You have to look at the menace of this kind of unregulated, unchecked price rise, affecting common men, affecting the poorest of the poor, families of the society. It is morally, socially also responsibility of the people in office.
So are you ready?
Don't they promise many good things in a democracy when we seek the mandate? We all do.
So are you ready to act on behalf of the people of the state?
It is a responsibility of the government to take cognizance of what we are saying now. As a responsible government, they must take cognizance of this concern. We are not saying this for nothing. We are saying this so that at least government will realize their failure to take cognizance of these responsibilities that is vested upon them to protect the larger good of the people.